The first and only learning objective at section 5.1 is to identify explanatory and response variables. So let's first talk about what the explanatory and the response variable are. The response variable is what we're interested in studying. That's the main purpose of the study. And the explanatory variable is something that we think might influence the response variable. So let me put these definitions up and we'll talk a little bit more about them before we do the example. So the explanatory variable is what we think might influence the response variable, and it usually comes first or is easier to measure. It's often how the observational units are divided into groups that we would like to compare. The response variable is what we are really interested in studying. So let's look at this example here. A large college class has 160 students. All 160 students attend the lectures together, but the students are divided into 4 groups, each of 40 students, for lab sections administered by different teaching assistants. The professor wants to conduct a survey about how satisfied the students are with the course, and he believes that the lab section a student is in might affect the student's overall satisfaction with the course. What are the explanatory and response variables? So, you'll notice here that what the professor is really interested in, what he cares about, is how satisfied the students are with the course. So that's the response variable. But the professor believes that something might affect students' overall satisfaction, which is which lab they are in. Notice that these different lab groups are dividing the students up into different groups or sections that we would like to compare. So the explanatory variable here is lab section, and the response variable is satisfaction with the course.